Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by switching on airplane mode so cellular signals are off. That complies with rules and prevents radios from transmitting. Once done, turn Wi-Fi back on and scan for the aircraft's network. Make sure you have payment or voucher details ready because many flights require purchase or login. While you're doing this, close high-bandwidth apps to reduce startup load. This combination, airplane mode plus Wi-Fi, lets you access onboard internet without cellular transmission, which is the only approved method. Once you see the airline SSID, tap it and then open your browser to trigger the captive portal. You'll follow prompts to accept terms, enter a seat number, redeem a code, or buy a plan. Do that promptly to avoid timeouts. Make sure background apps remain closed so the connection goes to the browser, not to a stalled updater. For privacy and to avoid captive portal issues, you can enable a simple VPN after you're authenticated, but not before, since portals need direct browser access. After authenticating, verify connectivity by loading a small page or checking email. Avoid heavy streaming until you confirm bandwidth. If the portal won't load or you get limited access, toggle airplane mode off then on again, or forget the network and reconnect. This forces a fresh DHCP and portal handshake. Make sure to save any forms or drafts locally because sessions may drop. If problems persist, request the crew's network name or voucher details. That single troubleshooting step, toggle and reconnect, solves most onboard Wi-Fi issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.